Hi friends, we are going to discuss here problem number 3 on successive differentiation. Find yn if y is equal to x square into sin x. Find yn if y is equal to x square into sin x. So clearly you have to given that here y is a function of x, and you have to observe again y is a function of two functions is there. Okay, means y is equal to, that is a first function is x square and second function is sin x. So let's see how it will be find its nth order derivative, right guys? So in this question you have to find yn if y is equal to x square into x, that is y is a product of two function, that is a first one is x square and second one is what is that, sin x. Okay, so if we have to find nth order derivative of product of two function, then there is a theorem is available for you guys. So which theorem is there? So by using Leibniz theorem. Okay, so by using Leibniz theorem we can solve nth order derivative of given function. So let here choice of u and v, these are the very important. So by using Leibniz theorem you have to first choice u and v. Okay, so let choice of u. Okay, so I am writing here choose value of u as u is its nth derivative is known. Okay, so sin x is there, its nth derivative is, I can write very easily, that's why I am writing here u is equal to what is that, sin x. Also v is equal to, I am choosing here, so remaining function v is equal to what, x square. So here order of u and v, these are very important, means you have to choose u and v. This is very important when we solve the example, right? Function u taken as its nth derivative is known very easily, and choose v as its derivative vanish earlier. Okay, means here if we have to observe x square and sin x, so which function has a derivative earlier vanish is there. So x square, its first derivative is a 2x, second derivative is a 2, and third derivative it becomes 0, therefore v earlier vanish. Okay, means x square derivative early vanish, so that's why v is equal to x square is there guys. Okay, now I am taking its nth order derivative guys. So therefore un means sin x, it's a derivative, nth order derivative of sin x, it becomes, this is a sine of x plus n pi by 2 guys, sine of x plus n pi divided by 2. Okay, and at that time derivative of v is equal to, means I am taking derivative of v as a first time, so let's see. Okay, and v is equal to, I am considering here x square, so let me write v1 is equal to 2x is there guys, v1 is equal to 2x. Also you have to write un minus 1th derivative guys of sin x. Okay, it will become sine of this x plus n replaced as here n minus 1 guys into pi and divided by 2. Okay, now next derivative of y means becomes again differentiate v1, we have to getting the derivative as v2, and v2 is what is there guys, here 2. Clearly you know v2 is equal to 2. Okay, after finding also v3 we have to getting v3 as directly here 0 guys. Okay, so don't need to find out its next derivative, here you have to taking the derivative of v, this process is stop is here guys. Okay, now by using Leibniz theorem, I am writing here by using Leibniz theorem guys, Leibniz theorem. Okay, by using Leibniz theorem, what is that, we have to differentiate n times guys, means differentiate this y, I am taking here u into v. Suppose this is equal equation number 1 for consideration. Now I am taking here differentiate equation 1 n times, equation 1 n times. Okay, and here there is very important, you have to use differentiation under Leibniz rule is there guys. Okay, so therefore we get what is that, derivative of equation 1, that is derivative of y, nth time derivative of y is, I am taking here clearly yn, and yn is equal to nth time differentiation of dx raised to n of, what is that here, x square into sin x is there, guys, and this can be written as, this is a dn upon dx raised to n of, what is that here, u into v. Okay, so how to write nth derivative of uv? Let's see by using Leibniz rule, guys. Let's see here. Okay, so this is a nc0, the formula is nc0 un, at that time v function is there, plus nc1 un minus 1, at that time derivative of function v as v1, plus nc2 un minus 2, at that time derivative of function v as v2, means second time differentiation, plus nc3 un minus 3, and derivative is of v is v3, plus and so on, guys, plus and so on. Therefore substitute the value of above derivatives in this equation. Okay, therefore we get above values. So which are these values? So u, value of u, value of v, value of un, value of v1, means u and its derivative, v and its derivative, substitute here. So therefore clearly yn is equal to, you know very well, nc0 means what, guys? Nc0 means 1, and into un means what is that? This is a sine of, I am taking here, this is a sine of what, guys? This is a x plus n pi divided by 2 into v function I am taking as here x square, plus you know also very well nc1. What is value of nc1? This is value is n. So guys, for references, okay, for reference, you have to use first result for ncr. What is ncr? This is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, okay, into r factorial is there, guys. This is formula for combination, means you have to find if ncr, then you have to use this formula, and by using this formula, guys, by using this formula, you have to clearly getting nc1 is n is there, guys. Okay, this is value is n. So u2 into v2, u2 means what is that? This is second order derivative. Okay, means here un minus 1, right, guys? Un minus 1 into v1. Un minus 1 means what is that, guys? This is nothing but un minus 1th derivative of sin x, means it will get, let's see on top, what is that? It sees sine of x plus n minus 1 into pi divided by 2, guys. Okay, at that time v2 is there. V2 means second order derivative of, sorry, v1 means first order derivative of here x square, it will get here 2 into x. Now third term I am writing here nc2. nc2 means what is that here? n into n minus 1 divided by 2, n into n minus 1 divided by 2 will be there, guys. N into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial I am writing here, because of that nc2 the formula un minus 2. What you will get? Un minus 2, this will get sine of x plus n minus 2 of pi divided by 2, guys, pi divided by 2. At that time v2 is there, means second derivative of v is, it is nothing but it is a 2, guys. It is a 2, guys, and plus if we take the third derivative, it will becomes here 0, guys. Okay, so therefore process is stop is here. Okay, so finally you have to getting this result, guys. Finally you have to getting the yn as, therefore I am writing now in this way, therefore yn is equal to, this is x square into, I am writing here x square into sine of x plus n pi divided by 2, plus second term is what is that, guys? You observe this second term, that is 2nx. What is that here? 2nx means 2nx. You see where is a 2nx, okay, into sine of in this bracket x plus that is n minus 1 into pi divided by 2 guys. And what is the plus next term I am writing here? This is 2 and 2, this will get cancelled there. 2 factorial becomes 2 and 2 get cancelled, and remaining is what is that here, n into n minus 1. This can be written as, this is a n square minus n is there into sine of x plus n minus 2 into pi by 2 guys, n minus 2 into pi by 2, and this is your required answer. Okay, this is a required answer guys. Okay, so in this way you have to find the nth order derivative by using Leibniz theorem. If you have to given y is a function of two or more function is there, means y is a function of product of function is there. Okay, so in this way you have to calculate by using Leibniz theorem, it's nth order derivative of y. Now I hope this example is very easy and you have to understand it guys. Okay, now it is sufficient for this example. I hope you have to understood. Thank you guys.